Covering stations around the world.
Breaking news with Phil Dean.
Radio.co.
Now live in homes and studios around the world is the brand new Radio.co Top of Hour News feature. An excellent feature at that will allow you to schedule in the latest news headlines as frequently as you wish. Currently available for our Gold and Pro plan subscribers, start every hour of your show with an automatic live update of the news currently affecting your area. Here's Phil with more details. Thanks, Phil. Now, to create your top of hour news bulletin, it couldn't be any simpler, especially considering that once you've set it up and scheduled it, it'll update and play out automatically. If you head to Media and then News, you'll find the Bulletin Builder and the Bulletin Settings. First of all, you'll need to select the musical inputs for your bulletin from your media library. So that's your intro and outro jingle, instrumental bed to play underneath, and most importantly, your preferred news source. And remember, to upload such files to your account, it's simply a case of heading to the big red Upload Media button in the top right corner. Your jingles only need to be a few seconds long, and your bed will typically want to be 1 to 2 minutes in length. For the news source, you first need to seek permission to broadcast the one you want. And it must be in MP3 format, otherwise it won't work. Once all of these files have been selected, you just need to decide how often you want this bulletin to go out on air. In the Bulletin Settings menu, you can now select the right frequency and metadata for your news broadcast. From here, you can choose to have your news bulletin play out all day, or just during specific hours. And as you'll see when you select that option, you can decide when exactly that will apply. And just below that will be the days of the week that you can also choose from. The last section is dedicated to your news feed's data, so just give it a name that listeners can see when it's live. Click Save, and there you have it. Your news bulletins are ready to roll out and inform your listeners to the most recent global or local goings-on. Back to you in the studio, Phil. Thanks, Phil. Excellent reporting as always. The brand new Radio.co Top of Hour News feature is now live across all of our Gold and Pro plan subscribers. And if that doesn't apply to you, then don't worry, as you can always upgrade your current plan from the billing section of your account settings. For more information and help guides such as this, please visit our website, Radio.co. Take care.
Radio.co.